In this practical example we will draw the sketch of a fastening part, using some of the tools studied during this module. Shall we get started? First we start a new part file. Next, we start a new sketch in the front plane. We draw a circle at the source and a center line. Next, with the command line, we draw an incline line. Still with the line command active, we type the letter A and see that we can draw an arc. We draw as shown and automatically return to the command line, drawing another line. We draw another circle. We've added some relationships and dimensions, keep track. We mirror some entities, watch. With the command 3-point arc, we draw two arches, first clicking on both ends and finally to set the center. We activate the command trim, and holding the mouse pressed, we slide over the lines, as shown, erasing them. We add relationships and scale the arches, defining the sketch completely. Now we will save this sketch as a block by selecting it in the Feature Manager and clicking on Save Sketch as Block in the block toolbar. Alright. We reviewed in this practical example some commands studied in this module, which are basic but indispensable for quick, agile modeling and maintaining design intent.